Cecilia! Danny! Where are you? Too small?
Okay, go.
Come on.
Just the top of the castle.
Oh. No, we're not going down the side. Come on. Look. Help me spin it. Help me spin it. I think we lost your mom. Hold on, we're waiting for your mom. Come on, let's go for your mom again. Oh, there she is. Huh? It's not soaking wet, it's just wet.
Are you scared?
No.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I am.
Okay, then get down.
No. Oh, it's too high.
You're too high.
No?
I wish I was high.
Look. We're down there, so they wish they could fly.
Who wishes they could fly?
Yeah. So we'll fly. We're almost there.
This is a good exercise.
Yeah. Oh, look at them big muscles.
Thanks. All right, your turn. No?
Let me see your muscles. What happened right there?
We conquered our fears. Yeah. You got it?
Hey, sir.
What's up?
We're on top. We're really on the top.
At the very, very top. At the tippy top. Do you see it? Okay, do you want to keep walking?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go down first. You got it? Where's your mom? Oh, there she is. All right, let's keep walking. Come on. You're wiggly. Oh, look, Danny, the round table. Whoa, it's high. Huh? Okay, let's go. And your phone falls out of your hand. Flash, done. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Again? Cool. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. There were more toys on the over there in the front. Look, there's some toys right there. That's how you do it. Oh, we went the wrong way. Dang it. Ooh, this one's shaded. Don't, when you fix it, touch it right here. Right here. but don't touch the top.
My dad's making it hurt.
Oh my gosh, where's the car? Okay, go to the car, go to the car, go to the car. Beep, 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 beep.
Come here. Yeah, come here.
No,
No, come here, Danny. You keep touching the camera. The camera turned off.
no, because it's gonna drop.
Your butt's sweaty, huh?
What a nice day. Yes, I'm gonna go in the horse. What's wrong, Mommy? What's wrong?
He's using you for money.
You ready to take it out?
Nope. Wait, get it out! Put it in the drip, guys. Go in the drip. Change up some. Take it back there! Where's she going to? Whoa, that's my front car. Get in there, guys. That's hot. Wait. Oh.
Yo no sabía que era un zoo. Go.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Can I go in that house?